Greetings, fellow writers. Hope you are doing well. So here we are at our concluding paragraph, and remember that you had to do 5 total. So let's take a look at this and see what it says. It's here to help us. It says, use the following to help you write your conclusion paragraph. Start with one of these transitions. Usually kids like to do in conclusion, or you could do any one of these and look at how it says the statement, as you can see, followed by a comma. Look for the pattern, please. In conclusion, comma, to conclude, comma, all in all, comma, to sum it up, comma. And then it says restate your topic and subtopics. Refer back to your introduction and a final call to action. So let's take a look at that. I will do some copy cutting and pasting of what was our introduction, so that way. Now, the thing about the conclusion is it's very much like the introduction. You just want to change the words. And now you're probably starting to see at this point how a lot of things are the same things stated over and over again, so that way you're being clear and informing your reader. Now, let me go up to the introduction over here, and there it was. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a picture of this. Let's take a look. I'm going to make this smaller, and the way you take a picture is like this. You hit Shift, Control, and 4, and then watch. I'm going to take this, and I'll take a picture. I'm going to go down over here, and now I'm just going to pull this right up to there, so I can see what I did before. If you don't get that, that's fine. Okay, let me make my screen a little smaller so I can see. I'll put it up here. Okay, now I want to be able to read this, and it says restate your topic and subtopics. So right over here, remember my topic was school uniform. My subtopics were these things. I'll put them in a different color, so that way we can see. I'm gonna go over here. Is this a highlighter? Is that the highlighter? Let's see. Nope, it's not the highlighter. Let me make this. Gotta click on this. Okay, I'm going to just jump back in. Remember that my topic was school uniforms. My subtopics were making life easier, right there, for parents in the morning time, less distractions, and it can cost less money. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to say, click here. Please use your own words. Look at how I'm doing it as an example. To sum it up, uniforms can be helpful to schools and students. Period. Just restating what my topics is, which is uniforms. Now I'm going to briefly talk about my subtopics. Parents find it makes their lives easier, comma. Let's see, I'm going to go back over. So that was the one subtopic. The other subtopic that I had was less distractions. So I'm going to say, also, students feel they are less distracted in the classroom, comma, and it's more affordable. Now, it says, and a final thought. I misspelled affordable. Right-click that. I'm going to double space after my period, and it says, and a final thought or call to action. There should be a call to action so families can help their children and schools with uniforms. That's it. We are all done. Oh, I forgot to indent my paragraph. Now I will copy, cut, and paste this down here to what would be my orange section. And now remember, here we go. Let's do this and paste. And so now I have my orange section done. The purple you should have done yourself. This one you done yourself. You could have copied mine. And I will want to copy my introduction right there. So let me do that real quick. So here's my introduction. Control. Okay, and so there we go. There's my introduction. There's my paragraph 1 of the body. Paragraph 2 of the body. 3 you should have done. And then conclusion. Looks like I'm missing one. Was that the 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's the 5. So there you go. You should be all done now. And then I'm going to teach you one other thing before you can turn it in, which is great. And then I'm going to be teaching you Grammarly. That will be Friday.